and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my living room tour. I already have the balcony and the bedroom tour up, so I'm going to link it down below. Definitely go check it out. But I am finally done with my living room. It's taken me months, literally 6+ months to put this whole space together, and there are still a few things that I would like to add, but I was like, it's okay, let's film this video. And I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Also, I'm going to link the empty house tour, so maybe watch that before watching this, just to get an idea and feel of what the empty space look like. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. That you actually see when you enter. So यहाँ पे as you can see, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, main switchboard है यहाँ पे, power board, right? And I don't like it. I think it's ugly. So we've covered it with a tapestry. I got this tapestry from Amazon quite a few years ago. I'm going to try to find it. If I find it, I'll link it down below. And right under the tapestry we have this chest of drawers, जिसके ऊपर I'm burning this candle which is called Cactus Blossom from the Bath and Body Works, because when you enter it smells good. And then यहाँ पे, so basically what we do with this is, here I just keep my masks. It's rather empty right now because I'm still figuring out how to use this space. But यहाँ पे all the masks are there, and then here I just keep all of my parcels that I get, all of my PR, so that you can quarantine here, and then after a few days I can start using it. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी I just have some more like Amazon packages, again, which are quarantining. And right next to the chest of drawers, which by the way are from IKEA, they're called the Malm drawers. We have another IKEA product which is this bar cart. It's supposed to be a bar cart, but I just use it for storage. So यहाँ पे ऊपर I just have some candy, so that when people come and when they leave they can have a bite of it. Right now we're feeling very festive, so we have some marshmallows and some candy cane, and then of course we have some sanitizer, which I'm going to use some, and then some spray sanitizer, and then a tissue box which doesn't have tissue because we're running out of tissue right now. And then here I just have our Simbaa Lifestyle trunks in which we just store all of our stuff. So like for example, isme we have all of our Simbaa ka saman, so that it's just easy to access, because we do sit in the living room to do most of our Simbaa stuff. So here we have everything that we need. So this is what the entryway looks like. It's right opposite the door. So let's move on to the living room. I'll show you what this side of the living room looks like. You can probably see the pink light shining on my face, but it's the cutest part of the entire house actually, and I want to save it till the end. Okay, so moving on to the actual living space. The first wall right here, I have hung this mirror. This mirror is from IKEA. I link it down below. I link everything down below. And then uske niche here we have kept this gadda. Now this gadda we actually even had at the studio. So I got it covered in the same fabric as the sofa, and then you can actually open it up, so if there are people visiting, they can sleep on this as well. And then here we have the tree. Actually, before the tree, ye wall we painted, the shade is called Coral Bells from Asian Paints. So I wanted this one accent wall, which was, this isn't actually pink, it's more like a coral. So I feel personally emerald and coral goes really well. So we painted this wall. And then here we have a Christmas tree. Obviously this doesn't stay here all year round. It's just going to be here for the month. But instead of this, we have a plant which is like a 5 feet plant, and that is what stays. I'll show you what the plant looks like. Abhi maine usko shift kar diya hai wahan pe. But yeah, that is what stays here instead of the tree in the other months. And this is the couch. A lot of people ask me where this couch is from. So we actually got this custom made. I will link, I will leave his address and his contact number from the guy. He's a local carpenter who made this for me, and I picked out the fabric. I showed him a couple of images from Pinterest and he made it. I think he did a really good job, and it's been at least 6-8 months and abhi tak kuch bhi problem nahi hua. By the way, this is a sofa cum bed. So this is where I actually sleep. This is more like my bedroom than my living room. I spend most of my time in this room and on this couch. And piche, so the thing is ki yahan pe exactly piche, there's a plug point, a very very ugly plug point, and I did not know how to cover it for the longest time, and frames was the easiest way. So I got a bunch of these printouts, just normal black and white Xerox like printouts, and then I got them framed from a local frame wala guy. And I've gone with like a black and white theme because already there's like a really nice accent color, so I didn't want to mess with it. So we stuck to black and white frames. Yeah, and I think it looks very, very nice. Like I can sit here and film videos. Also, it's a little bit impractical because when people sit here, we've already broken this once. So I hope that doesn't happen again. But it looks nice. Just a closer look at the frames. Not too much thought actually has gone into these frames. They're just a bunch of random black and white frames. I specifically wanted Mumbai ka ceiling, so I added that in. And other than that, it's just random. Okay, so on this side of the sofa, the couch, we have a side table. This side table I got from Club Factory, but I got a few of these from Amazon, very similar ones. So you'll find the link. And then this basket, so basically this basket just holds the remote, the AC car remote, the TV car remote. And then we have coasters. I got coasters. I got these custom made to match the sofa. So we have a few of these which we use every day. And then we have this copper ka jug which I actually showed you in a previous video. And it's just convenient to have it on the side. And then we have a mouth freshener. But that's basically it. We've kept things that we need on like a daily basis and we can grab from here, and it just helps like segregate. It looks a little bit neat. And then on either sides of the sofa we have these chargers, wireless chargers, where you can just like keep your phone and it charges itself. So this is the coffee table from Amazon. Right ahead of the couch there was a nice big rug which was like a white rug, but then it got dirty in like a few days, so I was like no rug for here. So यहाँ पे सिर्फ coffee table है, and coffee table पे यहाँ पे we've just kept like a macrame. This is actually a placemat, but I don't have a dining table, so we've just kept it here. And my laptop is here because I mean I need it all the time. And then here I have a candle from Bath and Body Works. I believe it's called, yes, Black Cherry Merlot. I really like the scent. Okay, so to the left of the sofa is the bedroom ka door. If you want to watch the whole bedroom tour, it's linked down below. I've already filmed it. Yahan pe we have a bunch of cabinets, which is very handy because storage is so important for me. If you remember, this was like a bright pink, like a proper pink color, and obviously it's not going with the vibes. So the coral wall, वही सेम कलर मैंने इस पे कर दिया, कोरल बेल्स करके इस पे मैंने पेंट कर दिया. And then I added these custom क्या बोलते हैं knobs, and yeah, we just store a bunch of different things. Okay, so here we have the window इसके पीछे. Now talking about the curtains, I've done like 2 layers of curtains. So the first one is a plain white one that I got from Amazon. And then uske aage I got these tassel curtains which are again white. The base is white, but then the tassels match the couch exactly. But the catch here is that I don't remember who sent these to me. An Instagram store sent these to me, but now that I'm trying to find their handle, I can't. So I can't link them for you guys. I wish I could, but they're so beautiful and such good quality. And I think it just ties the whole room together. I think it's been only 15 days max since we've gotten the curtains up. So we did not have a curtain for this long. And I feel like adding curtains just makes the whole room very warm and cozy. So you get the point. I really like my curtains. And then uske aage we've kept this beanbag. This wasn't supposed to be here, but we use it so much. So it just makes sense to keep it here. थोड़ा सा clutter हो जाता है space, but it's okay. It's functional and people use it, so it's nice to have it here. And then let's move on to this mirror.
Lights, camera rolling, model not ready. Model please turn around, and action. Forgot my script.
So this is the mirror. I love this mirror. So this is actually one of the first things that came in जब ये घर का like we started setting it up. Actually it came in the middle of the pandemic, like when everything was shut. And this we got from a local wood wala guy from Bandra, and this was actually very expensive. How much was it for?
11,000.
11,000. So it's a little bit, not little, it's very expensive, but it's just so pretty. And I wanted it to be white and rustic, and the mirrors, it's a nice big mirror. I can take OOTDs, which I never do, but you get the point. It's very pretty. And then here we have some plants. So this is actually the plant that is supposed to be on the right or the left of the couch where the tree is. It's so pretty. I don't know what it's called. I'll leave the name on the screen. But I wanted something that looked like a banana tree. Of course, this isn't a banana tree. But ये यहाँ पे अभी रह रहा है. And then here we have the Monstera, which I've killed once. This is my second Monstera, and this one is also a little bit dying. And Monsteras are very expensive, so I hope this one doesn't die. But they're so pretty. Just look at the leaves. So यहाँ पे एक basket है, and in this basket we just store all of our extra cushions because on the couch there are only 2 cushions, and everyone needs cushions, right, to sit comfortably. So we have a bunch of cushions in here. So of course it looks cute, but it's functional. Most of the things that I bought with the intention of them looking cute and filling up a space. But by the end of it, everything thankfully use में आ गया है. Onto this wall, here we have the TV, and TV के नीचे council unit है जिसमें I'll explain क्या है in just a bit. Let's move on to this side of the TV console. So यहाँ पे we have 2 poofs, which again I bought just because they look cute, but we do end up using them power रखने के लिए या बैठने के लिए. Both of them are by the way from Amazon. And then here we have this ladder. So this ladder again I got made from the same carpenter. I showed him this image on Pinterest and he made it. He did an okay job. कितने में बनाई है?
3,500.
So it's a little bit expensive. I feel like I could have bargained a little bit more, but yeah. यहाँ पे the reason why I actually got this made is because I wanted to hang cute blankets so that when people come over, they can take a blanket and sit nicely cozily. तो यहाँ पे एक blanket है, and then the other 2 things I use as like for my flat lays. So I've just kept them here for easy access. तो यहाँ पे पहले I've kept a few of my candles because I do burn candles at least हफ्ते में 2 बार तो. So I've kept them here for easy access. Then we have another basket जिसमें I've kept things that I use regularly, like the lighter for my candles. And then we have this measuring tape. We need measuring tape all the time. So I've kept it here. And then we have the scent diffuser from Godrej. This is very just for the sake of like aesthetic. So पीछे इसके plug point है. I hate plug points if you can't tell already. So I got these plain white books मेरे घर पे पड़ी थी, so I just got those and I kept them here because I didn't want to add too much color in this living space. So I got white ones. And then in the last basket I have my Polaroids. इसमें से एक काम ये वाला काम नहीं करता, पीछे वाले 2 करते हैं काम, but it just looks cute. So I've kept them here. And then I have Alexa. And then on the top, I didn't want to clutter it too much, so I have my tissue box, जिसमें tissue है ही नहीं, खत्म हो गया tissue. We have my diffuser, and for the time being, I've kept my Alexa stop. Sorry. So as I was saying, I've kept my 100K plaque here for the time being because I don't know where else to keep it. So yeah, that's it for my TV console. So this is the corner that I was saving for the end. Isn't it so cute? So I got a neon sign made from this Instagram store. I'll link them down below. I don't remember their Instagram store name, but I think they did such a good job. And the neon sign reads, "It was all a dream," because it really was all a dream, all of this. So I wanted to have something that said that, and it was like a constant reminder for me. So that's what we have right here. And then we have this pink chair. The pink chair too was made by the same carpenter who made my sofa. And then here we have a cactus. This is something that I've been eyeing for literally months. I think at least 6 months. This was a little bit expensive. This was for 5,000 rupees. I got it from a random, like a super random home decor store. I think it was called Wood Mall or something like that. And they had this. And I got it finally. I've switched off all the lights and I've switched on all the ambient lighting that we have. And this is what the house looks like at night. I am honestly in love. So the light looks a little bit purple. By the way, yes, you can see Jatin. Say hi, Jatin. Yeah, so the lights look a little bit purple, but they're very, very pink. We have some behind the TV also. I've used strip lights. And yeah, this is what the living room looks like. Even the tree looks so nice. And this is what the left wing looks like. Very, very pink. And yeah, that's it for my living room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!